Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. AFAQ New Iqbal Series Student Resource Pack English Grade 4. Keep learning at home. Academic Planner Unit 1. Number of SLOs 18. Build your skills. Worksheet number 1. Cognates. Write cognates of the given words. Yes, it's shampoo, chocolate, mobile, internet, camera, bulb, tube, email. Because cognates are the words that are same in every language. Worksheet number 2. Silent letters. Write 3 words with each silent sound. Yes, cake, bake, lake. E is silent. Knife, not, knob. K is silent. Who, whose, home. W silent. Lamb, tome, dat. B is silent. Worksheet number 3. Collective nouns. Write a collective noun in each box. Herd, army, flock, jury, police, team, and staff. Worksheet number 4. Regular and irregular nouns. Write the plurals of the nouns. Yes, stores, children, flowers, women, oranges, babies, potatoes, stories, teeth, knives, and flies. Worksheet number 5. Types of adjectives. Write 2 adjectives of each type. Yes, color, red, green. Quality, beautiful, nice. Quantity, much, less. Origin, Saudi, Indian. Size, big, small. Shape, oval, round. Worksheet number 6. Degrees of adjectives. Write the degrees of the adjectives. Yes, easier, easiest. Softer, softest. Kind, more kind, most kind. Wider, widest. Larger, largest. Harder, hardest. Happier, happiest. Bigger, biggest. Worksheet number 7. Articles. Fill in the blanks using a, an, or the. A mother duck and her ducklings lived by a small pond. An ant used to live near them. Once the mother duck went to a lake with her ducklings. The ducklings were very happy to see so much water. Suddenly the mother duck saw a fox. So she shouted, "Children, see, the fox is coming. Hurry to the lake." The ducklings rushed towards the lake. The mother duck began to walk back and acted as if her wings were broken. When the fox saw the mother duck, he thought that the duck was hurt and couldn't fly, so he ran to eat her, but she flew away into the lake. Worksheet number 8. Joining words. Write your daily routine during summer vacation. using the given joining words to connect your thoughts. First, I wake up in the morning and offer my prayer. Then, I go for a morning walk. And after that, I take my breakfast and study until noon. Next, I eat my lunch and then play until evening. At last, I go to sleep at night. Worksheet number 9. Long and short vowels. Write a word with each vowel sound. Yes, cat, cake, bed, bee, sit, ice, four, umbrella, unicorn. Worksheet number 10. Anagrams. Make 2 anagrams of each word. Yes, read, dear, beak, bake, fade, deaf, sing, sign, ache, each, tone, note, bear, bear, lake, kale, tide, died, grin, ring. Worksheet number 11. Action words. Read the text and underline the action verbs. Yes, celebrate, cold, fast, help, make, take, giving, where, go, embrace, visit, eat, spend,